Hi, my name's Paul Freeman and I'm 59 years old. I was born in Johannesburg, South Africa. Spent 25 years in South Africa and came to the United States of America in 1980. And I've been here ever since. Got into the restaurant business when I was 18 years old. I'm about to open my 59th restaurant at my age. And I want to become the oldest winning person to win Survivor. How many people can say that they have accomplished what I have in life? Not only have I had 58 restaurants and about to open my 59th, but I'm now single. And I constantly get hit on by gorgeous women every day of my life. Maybe it's my accent. Maybe it's my confidence. Or it's just because I'm probably easy on the eyes. I don't know. Anyway, I recently just lost 70 pounds because I wanted to write a book. Actually, my second book. My first book is From a Jew to the Stew. And, you know, in the restaurant business, you go through the stew, that's for sure. But my second book is called Can You Trust the Skinny Chef? And so I was 70 pounds heavier about a year ago. And I thought, you know, how can I create a difference in people's lives? I was uncomfortable, didn't feel good about myself, was starting to get buttons popping on my clothes. And I said, I'm going to write a book, and it's going to help people. I'm at the best shape of my life. At 59, when most people are winding down, I'm getting my second win, and I feel great. And you know, I run 5 miles every day. My knees are in good shape. I'm lucky. I guess I'm very fortunate. I'm active. I'm always looking for the next adventure. I don't like to stand around. I want to open more restaurants. I want an adventure. This is going to be the adventure of a lifetime for me. I normally do skydiving and hunting and skiing, but this would be the ultimate. But one of the things I love doing is I love to cook. I love being a chef. I love creating new dishes. And I love to interact with my guests every day. I get to take pictures with people on their birthdays, on their anniversaries. How many people can say that they're in people's homes, thousands of homes, every single month, as people come into my restaurant and enjoy their special occasion? And we make a difference. And people feel good about this place. People feel good about eating in my restaurant. They're being fed naturally, but also spiritually as well. And I tell jokes. Sometimes people laugh, sometimes they cry. But it's enjoyable, and I have fun. I love what I'm doing. I'm passionate about what I do. I work 7 days a week. It's not easy, and sometimes 10, 11, 12 hours a day. I've actually been called the Energizer Bunny. I mean, you name it, I've done it. When it comes to the restaurant business, there's absolutely nothing practically that I have not done. I teach, I preach, I motivate. I lead people every day. Those are my passions. However, all of this success has come with a price. At the expense of my family and my children. I've been married 3 times because I placed my work and my success more important than them. And so I want this so bad because I want to prove to my children that I can do something for them. I know my kids, my 3 boys, they are adventurous. They would love to be on Survivor, to see their dad on Survivor. I can win this thing. I know I can, because it's all about the mind. It's all about how to manipulate people, how to motivate people, and how to get people on your side. This is a challenge for me because I believe I'm good at it. I believe that I'm passionate about it. And that may be why people are so attracted to me, and why I have such a good reputation, and why people love my food, and why they love my restaurant. So give this chance to me, for me and for my kids. And I'll prove to you that I will win this all the way to the end. I will survive 39 days. And I will be the next winner of Survivor. At the age of 59, the oldest contestant to win the game.